When it comes to uploading YouTube videos, most people mess up one crucial thing that tanks their performance before the video even goes live. You'd be shocked how many creators spend hours scripting, editing, and polishing their videos, only to kill their video's performance by uploading the incorrect way. It's not the algorithm holding them back. It's this one mistake. Channels that hit millions of views never make it, but most new creators do in their first 10 to 20 uploads. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete upload process. Not just the boring setup everyone shows you, but the actual optimization strategy that separates videos that pop off from videos that die at 100 views. And later, I'll show you how to reverse engineer proven titles and thumbnails from top-performing videos so you're never guessing again. There are two main phases: upload setup, which is the simple stuff, and then packaging and optimization. This is what determines if your video will actually get traction or perform poorly. Then we'll finish with settings, playlists, and publishing. Let's start with the basics. I'm on the YouTube homepage here. To upload a video, click Create in the top right, then select Upload Video. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to YouTube Studio. From here, you have two options. Either click Select Files and pick your video, or just hit Ctrl-J to drag and drop the video file directly. Now here's something crucial. Before you do anything else, click Visibility and set it to Unlisted. If you set it to Public, your video will automatically go live before you've added your thumbnail, title, or description, so YouTube pushes it out half-finished and judges it instantly. If you set it to Private, YouTube won't analyze your video for ad suitability or copyright issues. Unlisted is the sweet spot. It lets YouTube process your upload and analyze it safely without publishing it yet. That's the simple setup done. Now we move into the part that actually decides whether your upload gets traction or gets ignored. Now that your video is uploaded and unlisted, this is where things start to matter: the packaging. Because great videos fail all the time. Not because of bad content, but because the packaging doesn't grab attention. Your title and thumbnail are the only two things viewers see before deciding if you are worth their time. You could have the best video in the world, but if the packaging doesn't hit instantly, YouTube won't even test it. After uploading your video, vidIQ will recommend a working title. Save and copy that. We'll be using it. For my example, I'll just be using the title that I gave the file, which is Shadow Ban. Go to YouTube search and type it in. Find the top-performing video for that keyword or topic. Once you've found a high-performing title, copy it and head over to ChatGPT. Paste it in and use this exact prompt. Give me alternative titles for the title below. Competitors proven. Pick the version that feels most natural to your content. This keeps your titles inspired by what's proven without copying word for word. The goal isn't to trick the algorithm. It's to signal that your video belongs next to other high-performing content. And that small shift in title strategy alone can completely change how your video performs within the first 48 hours of upload. Next, let's work on the description. Here's how to do it step by step. Copy the final title you'll be using. Then, grab your full video script and paste both into ChatGPT using this prompt. Using the title and script below, write an SEO-optimized YouTube description for my video. This creates a clean, keyword-rich summary that helps YouTube understand your topic and improves discoverability. Keep your description natural, no keyword stuffing or spammy hashtags. Your goal is to sound human, not robotic, so add a bit of your own channel personality to it. Remember, YouTube reads your metadata to understand the context of your content. A well-written description literally helps YouTube put your video in front of the right viewers. Now for thumbnails. Go back to the same top-performing video you used earlier and study it. Ask yourself, what emotions or visuals stand out? What's drawing your attention first? Is it contrast, text, a facial expression? Either design it yourself in Photoshop or Canva, or just hire a freelancer to recreate the style, not the image. Your title and thumbnail are equally important. To get clicks, they both have to work together. Think of it like this: your title sparks curiosity, but your thumbnail proves it's worth clicking. Titles get you impressions, thumbnails get you clicks, and without clicks, your impressions mean nothing. Nail both, and YouTube starts pushing your video for you. Finally, let's grab the right tags. Return to the competitor video you modeled your title after. If you're using vidIQ, you'll see all the tags that your competitor's video uses. Click the little copy icon to copy all the tags. Then paste them into your own tag section in YouTube Studio. Tags don't directly rank your video, but they teach YouTube what other videos you should sit next to. When you pull from proven videos, you're basically saying, put me next to these guys. That's how small channels start getting suggested next to big ones. Don't stop at one video. Check 2 or 3 competitors. Find common tags between them and fill out as much of your 500-character limit as possible. Now that your packaging is ready, let's lock in your settings. Scroll down and make sure "No, it's not made for kids" is selected, unless you're creating actual kids content, like toy reviews or Roblox gameplay. Next, go to Altered Content. I personally select Yes, since I use AI for my voiceover and avatar. If you don't use AI at all, click No. For language and captions, YouTube usually auto-detects your language, so you can skip that part. Then scroll to Category. Don't overthink this. Category doesn't affect performance nearly as much as people think. Just pick the closest match to your content and move on. Small creators love to obsess over things that don't move the needle. Categories, tags, hashtags. The truth? None of that matters without a proven video concept, strong packaging, and consistent output. Focus on the things that actually create impact. Let's talk about playlists first. A lot of people claim they boost views massively, but in my experience, they're fine to use, but not essential. Now for end screens. Even though not many people make it to the very end of a video, it's still worth setting them up. Click the pencil icon, drag the timeline marker to the last 7 seconds of your video, and choose a layout that includes a subscribe button and 1 recommended video. Click Save. Next up, cards. Same process. Click the card icon, drag the marker to about minute 3 or wherever it makes sense, and choose a video or playlist to promote. When a viewer reaches that point, a small pop-up will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Click Save again, and you're done. You're almost finished. Head back to your Visibility tab, change Unlisted to Public, and hit Publish. And that's it. Your video is live. But here's the thing most creators don't realize. You don't win on YouTube by pressing publish. You win by optimizing before you do. Every video you make should be informed by what's already working in your niche. Not copied, but modeled. Before you even start production, find a successful competitor video that proves that once you understand that pattern, every upload becomes strategic instead of random. That's the complete upload process. The real difference is in the packaging. That's where channels actually start growing. Here's the thing. YouTube isn't luck, it's cause and effect. If you keep improving your scripting, packaging, and editing, you will build a channel that works. That's not a theory. That's how the platform rewards progress. When I first started my own channels, I already had experience working alongside big creators, studying analytics, reverse engineering what made videos blow up, and understanding how the algorithm actually reacts to different formats. I saw what worked at scale, but when I tried applying it to my own channels, I had all this information, but wasn't using it strategically. The second I started treating my uploads like the successful channels I'd studied, proven titles, views went up. Watch time improved, and the algorithm finally started working with me instead of against me. Once you understand the patterns behind what performs, everything else gets easier. You don't fail on YouTube because it's too hard. You fail because you quit before you figure it out. If you don't give up, you won't fail. Simple as that. But if you want to skip months of trial and error and actually get feedback, proven niches, and the exact systems that work, that's exactly what we're doing inside my community. And right now's the best time to do it. We're heading into Q4, and this is the stretch where new creators set up their channels for their first profitable run before the new year hits. If you're watching this in October, you've got a window most people miss. The algorithm's wide open. Ad rates reach the highest from October to December, and we're running an exclusive deal for access to the community. It's the perfect time to lock in, learn the system, and have your first successful channel built and running before 2026 even starts. It's not a shortcut, it's the fast track. So if you're serious about making this work, don't wait for next year. First link in the description, or check the pinned comment. If not, no worries, and I'll see you in the next one.